everybody. I'm making a snack, but first we have to chop up an onion really finely. For the rest of this recipe you need some mayonnaise. I put it in a bag, and in a few moments I'll chop up this, and then I have a spraying bag. And also you need some curry, some Hela curry I use. It's the best one. I take the light curry one. You got also a little bit spicier, but I decided to go for this one time. Normally I have the other one with the red lid on it. This one is normally red, but for this one it's green. So you need this, a bag with mayonnaise and some onions. And you also need this to put it in. And what I'm making, there's a picture already made in it. So it's a frikandel, and I'm going to make a frikandel special. So the frikandel is done. Now we're going to cut it open. Voila, like that. Then cut it a little bit deeper. And then you open it up like this. Then you take your mayonnaise, cut a bit off, and then throw in some mayonnaise, and then throw in the onions. Take care that you wash your hands before you do this. So the onions are over it, and now we're going to throw in the curry. Voila. And now let's have an evening snack. So this is my vlog for today. So later, peace out and bye bye.